What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shar, and I am back with another video. Y'all, so in today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna be doing a sleek ponytail, which is something that I always do. Like, it's my go-to thing. Like, when I don't want to do my hair and I'm tired of wigs and weaves and stuff like that, I just relax my hair. I did a video on that. Y'all gonna see that video before y'all see this one. But right now, I'm about to well, it's all moisturized and everything. I do need my ends clipped, but I'll probably do that in another video or something, or whatever the case may be. But right now, we about to get ready and install, well, whatever you want to call it. It's a drawstring. I said drawstring, y'all. Never mind me. It's a drawstring ponytail by Kiss. It's Vivace. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Vivis, and it's a drawstring ponytail. It's a Say Moshi ponytail by Kiss. 100% Mashi mix fiber, tangle free, heat styling safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a straight ponytail and a color one, and it's 36 inches. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all outside of the pack, like how it look. Yeah, I love me a straight ponytail, a long straight ponytail, my go-to. So this is the ponytail. You got this net on it. Take the net off. It'll come with all this paper and stuff in there, but this is the drawstring, and this is how long it is. It's pretty long. I'm gonna have to show you guys once I put it on, but it's a straight long ponytail. My go-to, like, y'all. It's just literally my go-to. But let's get straight into this video because I do have somewhere to be. Yeah. So let's go ahead. Start off with combing this back. Let me move this microphone down, so I hope y'all can hear me real good, because I hope I got the settings right on there. Y'all look so bald head. My forehead looks so big. Okay, this should be good. I don't want it all in the way. Alright, so so I'm gonna do like a part here. I want to do like one of those one ponytails where like got the two parts on the side. And I'm gonna do a part here. Did I relax my hair good? It's good enough.
Captain, tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight make you get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Like it, boy, I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah. Take it, yeah, baby. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah. Take it, yeah, baby. Would you believe me? Said I'm in love, baby. Want me? Would you believe me? Said I'm in love, crazy. Love me. I like the way you touch me there. I like the way you pull my hair. Baby, if I don't feel it, I ain't faking, no, no. Oh, no. I like when you tell me kiss your hair. I like when you tell me move it there. So get it up, time to get it up. You say you a rude boy, show me what you got now. Coming right now. Love me, love me. Love me, love me. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah. Take it, yeah, love me, love me. Love me, love me. Love me, love me. Love me, love me. Take it, baby, take it. Love me, love so into you. This could take some time. Hey, too many mistakes.
Dry real quick. I'm about to do my makeup real quick because, like I told you, I'm pressing for time. I got stuff I have to do. Well, literally a show. I'm going to see Mufasa, y'all. So it starts at 7:30 and it's currently like 6:45. So I have to put my stuff clothes, still put my clothes on, lotion, and all this stuff, and get to the store and get snacks because I'm not buying snacks at the movie theater. So I'm about to start on my makeup, let it dry, and then I'll be back once I put the ponytail on, y'all. So stay tuned.
When nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? Keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh Lord.
I think we're kind of done with this one.
Alright, y'all. So this is the finished look. Y'all, so I got my daughter to record this part, and Lord have mercy, she could have told me to at least straighten the ponytail out. But yeah, y'all get it. So super cute. This is like my go-to hairstyle when, like I said, I don't want to use any different like wigs or weaves and stuff in my head. Like, this is more like of a protective hairstyle to me. or for me. Um, yes, I love drawstring ponytails because they are very manageable. Like you can take it on and off. You don't have to keep it on your head. You can take it off every night,
Alright, I think
put it
we
back
kind of.
on, whatever the case may be. Even if you want to leave it on, you could, but I would suggest to take it off at night. But these are my go-to, and like I like the part method for the ponytail, which make the ponytail super sleek and cute. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and press that bell for post notifications. So whenever I upload any videos, you will be notified. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel. I hope to see you guys again. Don't be a stranger. Come back.